from Great Taste of Las Vegas, I am going to cook air fryer pork steak with cabbage, half cabbage and 1 sweet onion. I already have some oil in the tray, but I will add some more oil. I cut the center of the cabbage and remove the outer leaves so we don't need to wash it. Cut the cabbage into small pieces. Also cut 1 sweet onion into small pieces as well. Let's season everything. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of oil. Season the meat. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of hoisin sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 teaspoon of mustard sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of molasses, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Leave the pork in the refrigerator after you mix the pork with spices. Before cooking, rub the sauce again on the pork steak. Place the pork steak on the top of the vegetable. Cook in air fryer at 400 degrees for 20 minutes, then 10 more minutes, total of 30 minutes. I checked the pork steak. It is still red, so I will cook it for another 12 minutes. Each air fryer will be different. Please check your pork steak. Okay, the air fryer pork steak is ready now. It just turned itself off. Turn it off. And look how nice that looks. Everything caramelized. And you can eat them too. I think this is cooked great this way, but if you like more cooking, you can always microwave each piece individually. And then some of this sauce is here. We're gonna bring it and keep some of the pieces. And this is your air fried pork steak with cabbage and sweet onion.